Hey everyone, today we'll be seeing how you can recover end-to-end encrypted messages on Messenger. Do note that you will need the latest version of Messenger, so make sure it is updated to the latest version because this is a new feature. So you can go ahead and open the Messenger app. So once you're in the app, on the top left you can see three lines. You have to go ahead and tap that. Now next to your profile picture on the top, you can see a gear icon. That is the icon to open settings, and that's what we have to click. So once you're in this window, you have to scroll down and find Privacy and Safety. And then you have to click on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. And then Message Storage. Now, if you can see Turn Off Message Storage at the bottom, it means your message storage was already on before and you can recover messages. If you don't see that, it means you cannot recover messages. So we can back out from here. And at the very bottom, you have to click See More in Account Center. Then tap Your Information and Permissions. And then download your information. Then download or transfer information. Select specific types. Now here you can select messages and then click Next. Download to device and then Next. And as soon as you click Create Files, it will download all the messages that you have requested for. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.